record internal audio when you are doing screen recording on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to set the record sound to media. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap screenshot and screen recording. Under screen recording section, tap record sound and then select media. Alternatively, you can change the record sound setting before you start recording. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen using two fingers to open up the quick panel. Tap screen recording icon. Under sound section, select media. By choosing this setting while you are doing screen recording, the sound played on your phone will also be recorded. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.